Today we are going to see about supply chain management. This is Dr. R. Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, PG and Research, Department of Commerce with International Business, Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Introduction. Supply chain management refers to strategies that optimize the flow of materials or services to make available the product or service from inception to the end customer. Supply chain today is a part of every leading industry. The broad categories underlying the standard supply chain management for any industry include demand planning, sourcing, production, inventory management or storage, and logistics. The supply chain management process. The supply chain management process used by companies to ensure that their supply chain is efficient and cost effective. A supply chain is the collection of steps that a company takes to transform raw materials into a final product. The supply chain management process includes plan, delivery, make, develop, and return. Planning. The initial stage of the supply chain process is the planning stage. We need to develop a plan or strategy in order to address how the products and services will satisfy the demands and necessities of the customers. In this stage, the planning should mainly focus on designing a strategy that yields maximum profit. For managing all the resources required for designing products and providing services, a strategy has to be designed by the companies. Supply chain management mainly focuses on planning and developing a set of metrics. Next in the supply chain management process includes the developing, that is sourcing. After planning, the next step involves developing or sourcing. In this stage, we mainly concentrate on building a strong relationship with suppliers of the raw materials required for production. This involves not only identifying dependable suppliers but also determining different planning methods for shipping, delivery, and payment of the product. The third one in the supply chain management process includes making. The third step in the supply chain management process is the manufacturing or making of products that were demanded by the customer. In this stage, the products are designed, produced, tested, packaged, and synchronized for delivery. Here, the task of the supply chain manager is to schedule all the activities required for manufacturing, testing, packaging, and preparation for delivery. This stage is considered as the most metric intensive unit of the supply chain, where firms can gauge the quality levels, production output, and worker productivity. The next supply chain management process is delivery. The fourth stage is the delivery stage. Here, the products are delivered to the customer at the designated location by the supplier. This stage is basically the logistics phase where customer orders are accepted and delivery of the goods is planned. The delivery stage is often referred as logistics, where firms collaborate for the receipt of orders from customers, establish a network of warehouses, pick carriers to deliver products to customers, and set up an invoicing system to receive payments. The last stage in supply chain management process is return. The last and final stage of supply chain management is referred as return. In this stage, defective or damaged goods are returned to the supplier by the customer. Here, the companies need to deal with customer queries and respond to their complaints, etc. This stage often tends to be a problematic section of the supply chain for many companies. The planners of supply chain need to discover a responsive and flexible network for accepting damaged, defective and extra products back from their customers and facilitating the return process for customers who have issues with delivered products. Thank you.